So before starting the video, please subscribe the channel now. First of all, what is the Aufbau principle? So the name Aufbau is not of any scientist. The word Aufbau means to build anything. Okay. So in this principle, electrons orbitals of lowest energy levels before occupying higher energy levels. Means in this principle, the electrons are firstly filled in the lower energy levels, then they will go to the higher energy levels, as we discussed in the previous video. So in Aufbau principle, the electrons are first filled in lower energy orbit, then it will goes to higher energy orbital. Now, the energy of orbital is directly proportional to the energy of orbital is directly proportional to n plus L value. Means n is the principal quantum number and L is the azimuthal quantum number. So we are taking an example like 3p. Okay. In this example, we will going to know about the n value and n value. So 3p. 3 is the n value and p value is L equals to 1. So 3 plus 1, which will be equals to 4. Okay. And another example 3s. Here the value of n is 3 and value of L is equals to 0. So 3 plus 0 will equals to 3. So 3s is having lower energy level. So firstly the electron will fill in the 3s orbital. Okay. Now what will happen if there is the n plus L are same in both the cases? So we are going to take an example of 3p and 4s. So here the value of n is 3 and p value is 1, means the value of L is 1. Here the n value is 4 and the L value is 0. So in both the cases the n plus L value is 4. So now on which basis we are going to calculate the energy of orbitals? So in this type of case we are going to take the principal quantum number. So here the principal quantum number is 3 and in this case the principal quantum number is 4. So the lower one is n equals to 3. So here we will see that the electron will fill in the 3p orbitals first because it is the lower energy level. Okay. Second one, the Hund's rule. So basically in this we will consider an example of oxygen which is having atomic number 8. So oxygen having atomic number 8. So the electron will fill like this: 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Okay. For s there is one orbital, again for s1. For p there will be 3 orbitals. Now, the question arises that on which basis how these electrons should be placed in the orbitals. So, according to the Hund's rule, energy orbital in a subshell is singly filled with one orbital before any orbital is fully filled. मीन्स बेसिकली इसमें यह है कि हम जब तक किसी भी इलेक्ट्रॉन को उसके अगले ऑर्बिटल में नहीं फिल कर सकते, जब तक ये फर्स्ट वाला जो शेल है हमारा वो completely fill नहीं हो जाता 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के साथ में. So here we will fill like this कि सबसे पहले यहाँ पे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. So 1, 2. Now we will move to the next one. Again 1, 2. And in p shell there is 3 suborbitals. So firstly we are going to fill singly filled orbital. Okay, 3 orbitals are completely filled. Now 1 will be remaining. So the one electron which is remaining will go to this orbital. So on the basis of Hund's rule, all electrons is singly filled orbital have the same spin. Means the जो भी electrons fill होंगे अगर वो singly filled है orbital के अंदर तो उन सबकी जो है spin जो है same रहेगी. Okay. Pairing of now using the Hund's rule we will discuss that if we are taking 2p which is having 3 orbitals. Okay, so the direction of electron is same in singly filled, means all these three electrons have same spin, which is equals to plus half or whether it is equals to minus half, क्योंकि इसको हम इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में भी इसको हम ले सकते हैं. ओके, एक एग्जांपल और लेते हैं, which is aluminium having atomic number 13. So for aluminium, the electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. The remaining is 3. So 3s, 2 and 3p, 1. So this will be the electronic configuration for the aluminium. Now we have to fill the electrons according to the Hund's rule. So the 2 electrons are easily filled in 1s, same as 2s. In 2p orbital there are 6 electrons. So firstly we will fill single electron, then in opposite direction other 3 electrons. In 3s there is 2 electron. Now in 3p there is only 1 electron. So we can also fill the 1 electron here, here or here. Okay, it's our choice that how we are going to fill this 1 electron. So this is the electronic configuration by using Hund's rule. Okay, now the next one is the Pauli's exclusion principle. So the first question arises that why no 2 electrons have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. On the basis of Pauli's exclusion principle, we are going to answer this question. So first of all, it states that each electron can accommodate 2 electrons within the opposite spin. जो कि हम यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि एक ऑर्बिटल के अंदर यहाँ पे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है विच हैविंग अपोजिट स्पिन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर हम इलेक्ट्रॉन फिल कर रहे हैं तो वो इसी फॉर्म में होना चाहिए, ना कि both does not have the same spin. Okay, so this will be the wrong. Now, so we are going to take an example of oxygen atom having atomic number 8, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. In this, we are going to fill the electrons on the basis of the 3 rules. Firstly, 2 electrons in this, 2 electrons in 2s, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are going to check whether the 2 electrons have same set of 4 quantum numbers. Okay, so the 4 quantum numbers are n, l, ml and ms. Okay, firstly we will take an electron of 2p orbital, this one, first one. So here the value of n is equals to 2, the value of l is equals to 1 and the value of ml. So the ml means the magnetic quantum numbers. So we are having from plus 1, 0 and minus 1. So we have 4 electrons, 1, 2 and 3. Then the fourth one is filled in the plus 1. So the ml value is plus 1 and the ms value is the movement of electron in this orbital, which is plus half. Again we will take the same electron of this orbital, okay, where the n value is 2, l value is again 1, then ml value is again plus 1 and lastly the ms value is minus half. So here the ms value of both the electrons are different. So no 2 electrons have the same set of 4 quantum numbers is correct. So here no 2 electrons have the same set of quantum number stated by the Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay, on the basis of these 3 principles, we can easily use this principle for filling the electrons in any orbital. So I hope, thank you so much for watching this video.